Hi, hello, welcome to GOPI SIR PHYSICS YouTube channel. The next class is going to be, I'm going to teach about thermal properties of matter, right? See, in this lesson, before we are going to teach, we are going to discuss deeply in this lesson, thermal properties of matter. First, heat గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే, ఈరోజు క్లాస్లో జస్ట్ బేసిక్స్ అనమాట, థర్మల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్ ఈ లెసన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి బేసిక్స్ మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. సో నా we will going to learn about basics. From the basics, from the tomorrow class, we will going to discuss about the objective questions in this lesson. Okay, the thermal properties of matter. First, heat గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం. What is heat? So you can also, you have also listened about this concept heat. See, heat is nothing but it is a form of energy. So that transfers from one point to another body. It is a form of energy that transfers from one body to another body due to temperature difference exists between them. Right? Because of take examples, I'm going to prove. Take two bodies. So this is the first body, and this is second body. Right? See, heat is one form of energy that transfers from one body to another body due to temperature difference exists between them. Right? See here, that means if the two bodies have no same temperature, okay, it exists the different temperatures. Because of the different temperature exist, అంటే ఈ రెండు బాడీస్ కి వేరు వేరు టెంపరేచర్స్ ఉండటం వల్ల ఒక ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య పనిచేస్తుంది. దట్ ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ హీట్. సో హీట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ దట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ బాడీ టు అనదర్ బాడీ డ్యూ టు టెంపరేచర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ హీట్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ meant by టెంపరేచర్? ద నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ టెంపరేచర్. అసలు టెంపరేచర్ అంటే ఏంటో మీకు చెప్పలేదు కదా. టెంపరేచర్ అంటే ఏంటి చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ టెంపరేచర్, రైట్? సో వాట్ ఈస్ టెంపరేచర్? సో టెంపరేచర్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ. సో టెంపరేచర్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ which determines the degree of hotness and coldness of a body, right? See, temperature is nothing but it is a physical quantity. So it is a physical quantity. So that determines the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. Hotness and coldness of a body. That means it is one physical quantity. So temperature is nothing but water. Temperature is a physical quantity that determines the degree of hotness and coldness, and how much degree, then how much degree of that hotness and coldness. And if you take any body, if that body has hotness or coldness, how much that degree, how much level of that hotness, how much level of that coldness is there to that body, that physical quantity is nothing but a temperature. That means the degree of hotness and the coldness, how much level of the hotness and coldness is there, that level we just say that it is a temperature. It is a physical quantity that determines the degree of hotness and coldness of a body. And see, it also determines the direction of flow of heat. See, what I have told you, నేను ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. హీట్ అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ వన్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ దట్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్స్, దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఫ్లోస్ from a body at higher temperatures to lower temperature. See, for example, take two bodies. Okay, this is the first body and this is a second body. See, the temperature of a first body is T1 degrees centigrade and the temperature of a second body is T2 degrees Celsius. See, because this is T1 and this is T2. Are both temperatures are equal? No. Because of the difference temperature between the two bodies, there is a energy transfers. The transfers of energy is nothing but a heat. Okay. See, generally, and one more thing, heat is nothing but heat is a form of energy that transfers from a body at a higher temperatures to lower temperature. అంటే ఈ యొక్క ఎనర్జీ అనేది బాడీ యొక్క హైయర్ టెంపరేచర్ నుంచి బాడీ యొక్క లోయర్ టెంపరేచర్ కి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఓకే. అండ్ హీట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హీట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఏ థర్మల్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ఏ బాడీ. థర్మల్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ. Energy of the body. See, heat is also nothing but a thermal energy of the body. Heat also we can also say that heat is also a thermal energy. Actually, it is a one form of energy. What is that energy? It is a thermal energy of the body. అంటే ఒక బాడీ మనం తీసుకున్నామంటే అక్కడ హీట్ ఉంది అంటే then we can say that some kind of energy is there regarding that body. ఆ బాడీ దగ్గర కొంత ఎనర్జీ ఉందని మనం అనుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ మే బి దట్ ఎనర్జీ? హీట్ ఈజ్ ఎ వన్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. హీట్ అనేది ఎనర్జీ రూపంలో మనకి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది వన్ బాడీ టు అనదర్ బాడీ. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్. సో నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, రైట్? And the next concept is thermometric scales, right? Next one is thermometric scales. Thermometric scales. So thermometric scales. See, to measure temperature we use a thermometer. You know very well, right? See, in this concept, see here, to measure temperature, so generally there is a one instrument called thermometer. So it is a one instrument which is used to measure the temperature. So for example, if we go to any hospital, right, if you want to know the temperature of a body, then the device used called thermometer. But in this lesson, on the thermometer, so we have some scales, we have some recognized scales, we have some thermometric scales. So first scale is Celsius scale. The first scale that we use is Celsius scale, and the second one is Fahrenheit scale. And the third one is Kelvin scale, and the third one is a Kelvin scale, and the fourth one is Reumer. So and the fourth one is a Reumer scale. Okay, so these are all about the scales, right? Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale and Reumer scale. These three scales are called thermometric scales. Generally we use these four scales, right? Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scales, and Kelvin scale and Reumer scale. See the distance between the two, the two upper fixed point and lower fixed point. Actually, in the thermometer, there are some fixed points are there, right? See the distance between upper fixed point and lower fixed point called fundamental unit, or called fundamental unit. So what is meant by the fundamental unit? Actually, fundamental unit is nothing but the unit is nothing but the distance between upper fixed point and lower fixed point. What is nothing but upper fixed point and lower fixed point for each and every scale? Yes, for each and every scale there are some upper fixed point and lower fixed points. First we will see for what are the upper fixed point and lower fixed points for a Celsius scale. First, see the upper fixed point is the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius and the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 0 and 100. So 0 and 100, right? Next, the next Fahrenheit scale. So what is the lower fixed point? So 30 degree Fahrenheit to it is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Understood? Next, for Kelvin scale. For Kelvin scale, so what is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point? What is the lower fixed point and upper fixed point? See, for Kelvin scale, 273 Kelvin, and it is a lower fixed point, and for upper fixed point it is a 373 Kelvin. Okay. Next one is Raymer scale. So for this is lower fixed point is 0 degree R, and the upper fixed point will become it is 80 degree R. So these are all called some upper and lower fixed points for the different types of thermometric scales. See, 0, 100 it is for Celsius scale. And 32 to 12 it is for Fahrenheit. Okay, and 273 and 373 is for Kelvin scale, and it is 0 degree R to 80 degrees Raymer, it is Raymer. Okay, so this is about a basics of these are all the basics about thermal properties of matter. Next, a very important formula that we use many times in the objectives. That formula is, in the thermometric scales, the formula is, see, for example, I have a Fahrenheit scales of reading. I want to know what is that reading in a Celsius scale. I know what is the reading in Celsius scale, but I want to know Fahrenheit. And in case I know Fahrenheit scale reading, but I don't know Kelvin scale, how to convert? For that, there is one formula, so which is very useful for us. See, that is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9 is equal to K minus 273 by 5 is equal to R by 4. So this is a very important formula that we are going to use in a next classes, right? So remember this formula. Next, if any Fahrenheit differences are there, right? If any scales difference reading is there, then how to use? Then formula is, see, delta C by 5 is equal to delta F by 9 is equal to delta K by 5 is equal to delta R by 4. So this is another formula which we use, which we will going to use many times in the later on classes, right? In these classes, see, for this formula, if you know the Celsius temperature difference reading, but from which we can calculate what is the temperature difference Fahrenheit scale reading, right? by using of this formula, right? By using these two formulas, we can solve so many objectives in the later end classes. So thank you so much for listening my classes. Once again, thank you so much.